Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my streamlit video tutorial series. In this video I am going to show you how can you make table like this and save it as CSV file. So you will need to just write these lines of code. You can see here. If you don't know how to run streamlit on Google Colab, watch out my playlist fast video. Okay, so what I have done here, I have just imported streamlit as st, imported pandas as pd, imported numpy as np, because we are going to use these two modules. Okay, so we have created a data frame that is called df. You can name it as you wish. Let's say data f, then you will need to also change it here, data f. Okay, in the data frame, what I have done pd dot data frame. You can change this command. This is streamlit command. Okay, so we have created some random values, np dot random dot rand. We want 10 column and also 10, sorry, we want 10 rows as well as 10 column. Okay, then we have passed the value of the column name, that is column %d I for I in range 10, because we have 10 columns. You can see we have 10 column. Okay, so if I reload it, the data is okay, but if I change it to 20, we will get error, because our shape of data and the column number are not same. Okay, the column number, the column name we are passing through this loop, they are not same range. Okay, let's say I want to take 20 column and I want to take 15 rows. Okay, now this column and this range is same. Now if I reload it, you can see we have got 20 column. It's 19 because the column index has been started from 0, and we have got 15 rows. Okay guys, now we are just passing st.data frame, and in the data frame we are passing this data f that we have created. Okay, now if you want to do some style here, what you can do, our data frame dot style dot highlight max, let's use this on x is equal 0. Now if we reload it, you can see we have got the highest value of each column. Okay guys, so this is how you can highlight the max, as well as you can highlight the mean also. Highlight mean, if you refresh it, you can see the values will be changed. You can see now it has highlighted the lowest value of each column.